This is Aditya. Today we will check our demo for the sales agent. One by one we walk through and get all the things done. First of all, you can see here we have our website. Focus on the main thing, our chatbot, or you can say whatever you want. There are many names. It is not pre-trained as you said in the thing, but it knows the context of the website. So if we are on Mahindra XUV's page, it knows we are talking about this. If we are on another page, it knows which car we are talking about. So we can directly say compare versus Creta. It will do some research on a live basis and then get through the LLM and then deliver the answer. Okay, and you can see in UI it is showing consistent reliance as a customer. Second thing, uh, it also allows the multiple queries. Like if a user give a multiple questions in a time, it can understand. Okay, we got our results. Okay, which car do I and yeah, forward the sales story thing. It's just a UI improvement which we can do later. Okay, so these are the things we got. If we put multiple questions at a time, it can answer that separately too. Also, like I've prepared few things. Yeah, English part. Let's check this question. Okay, so let's copy it and paste it here. Now it purely requires his intelligence of the LLM and the regular market things. So it takes a bit more time to do this. Similarly, after English, we can like directly go here as you mentioned that I want to talk to a consultant or forgot something. If he just write I need to talk to a customer care or मेरे को customer care से बात करनी है. These all things would be okay. We got answer here. Okay. Now let's say मेरे को कस्टमर केयर से बात करनी है. Okay, it directly on a very high level prompts you that tell your name, phone number, our customer care will contact you. For now Rohan. Okay, and that is phone number we phone number 789929290. That's my phone number. Okay, the second most important thing, currently I have not included the telephonic APIs which we can definitely integrate in it. Here now you will see side by side I will be joining as a customer and I also will be joining as a consultant. So that will be might confusing, but I will make it simple for you. Okay, this is a customer screen. Let me make it on my this side, and this is the consultant screen which you can see. Okay, he's getting these things, these many which I tested or data. Okay, so as soon as I say send to consultant, okay, lead captured and consultant followed, and you can see here we have it can just say start a call. I currently integrated this, but you will understand much better. Okay, remember this side is the consultant side and this side is the okay. Let's start the call from the both side. Hi Rohan. Okay, so इसकी ऑन रोड प्राइस क्या होगी? और मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि इसके रीसेल में क्या क्या मिल सकता है हमें, और मेरी पुरानी कार के बदले आप कितना कम कर सकते हैं. As you have seen, okay, this consultant side and this is the Rohan side. Rohan side asks the question, and the consultant, you have seen the lag time also. It would decrease as we build a more sophisticated architecture on it. It get these things, okay, and we can surely more purify these sales stories and resale value things. But that's it from you can leave call. Okay, now let me take you to the architectural part where nothing bit more to worry about. I will share you the whole repo. You can just go through this and let me talk about the major tech stacks. We will be using, I am currently using the modern Python and Next.js, but for a faster outcomes, we might be focusing on the lower level languages. And for text to speech, sorry, speech to text, Servom AI is very good for a English customer, for an Indian audience. And for telecom communication, you can see I have listed all the things. Currently, I am using Gemini as LLM and a Tavily as a searcher, but no worry, we will adjust it as our requirements later on. Okay, that's it from this side, and let's talk about the physical mode. I have gone through it, and get an insight that it might be a something triggering for two reasons. First of all, we have to set up a whole physical hardware into the showroom so that it can capture the customer's voice properly and do not get mixed with the other customer voice. Okay. Number two, it requires like maybe I don't know legal compliances would be there. Can you record the customer's voice without permission or something like this? We can chat it about later on. Okay. Let me tell you the budgeting thing. Okay. So if you want me to complete this in both the modes, and you have shared me other projects also, so let me tell you these numbers are highly negotiable and would be definitely depends on the what would be the actual deliverables, what would be the timeline, and how the stakeholders react to it. For now you can understand I would be charging my monthly fees if you want me to engage in this project for full time, which is around 1.5 to 2. Okay, 2 lakhs, sorry. And if it, I have put a range here because I don't know what are the actual deliverables, and surely physical mode would be more sophisticated, so it would require more things. And these are the final recurring costs. Also, these are the just scoped variables which could be lower and re-benchmarked according to you when we get the actual data or test data. Also, more technologies or architectural things could enhance this very easily. Thank you. So I would love to collaborate on this project. And as we talked about, there are multiple points in the whole system of the car dealership and selling point, which could be automated and which are very where AI and the automation would be very helpful. So we would like to mix around things later. Okay. Bye.